Looking to apply for a Bank of America credit card? I'll walk you through the full process in just a few steps. Start by visiting bankofamerica.com. Right on the homepage, you'll find a section with featured credit cards. If you don't see it, go to the top menu, hover over Credit Cards, and click Shop All Credit Cards. Scroll through the list and take note of each card's rewards, fees, and requirements. Once you've found the card that fits your lifestyle, hit the Apply Now button. The application form will open. You'll need to enter your personal information like name, home address, and financial details. Depending on the card, Bank of America may ask for additional info to verify your identity. Also, it's a good idea to have a Bank of America checking or savings account ready. Some cards may require it. After filling out the form, click Continue and finish the application process by following the instructions on the screen. And that's it! Your Bank of America credit card application is now submitted. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.